So next we're going to move on to step 2 of our factory data journey, where we talk about data management, which refers to the consolidating of the data, adding context and value to it, and sharing it with various enterprise level systems that need access to the data. Within the Cogiscan IoT platform, we have our data management layer, which can be added on top of our connectivity layer if needed. And this layer adds a number of different features. First, it acts as a single central storehouse for collecting and storing all the data that you're getting from the shop floor. It has an open architecture with multiple standardized interfaces for integrating with different types of enterprise systems. And it also adds contextualization. Our focus for the last 20 plus years has been solely on the electronics manufacturing industry, and so over time we've built very rich data models for modeling the factory, material, products, and operations, and so forth. And so we're able to take the raw data from the factory floor and relate it to other data to add richer meaning and context. So to give an example of this, for a single scan serial number, on its own it's not too meaningful, but when it's received by our data management layer, it gets tagged to a product's part number, a work order number, a panel configuration, a location in the production route, and so on. And suddenly it becomes a very meaningful data object. So our data management layer can add a tremendous value for electronics manufacturers looking to digitalize their operations and start to utilize things like digital twins and so forth.